There. Yeah. There you go. So then what you do is you take that little slimy thing off the end, slide that off, and run it under the water. And it's just the best onion. What I do is I'll harvest it and then I'll clean it off and then I'll actually put it in a cup of water and they can last in the cupboard or in the refrigerator for about a week. And to when you grill those things, yeah, I think it smells really strong. I was wondering if it was porcupines, but I stood here and I watched one up there.
永远也不会有人知道。
所以你说，万一要是像柯南里面啊，周围就凶手就在附近。